These two palm trees really highlight what we're seeing in this area. The erratic winds, blowing those embers, spotting the fire ahead of firefighters. The fire is just raging here on Hillcrest. Fire resources, additional ones, are being brought in right now. And those winds, they're probably the strongest we've seen them. And there you see it. This is horrific, of course. These are pieces of people's lives. We pray, of course, that they got out safely. I got him. I got him. I got him. I got it. Ow! 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 Ow!
Yeah,
He's biting. He's biting. Keep hitting it as best you can is the orders being given to the firefighter with that hose right there. You can see those firefighters up there on the roof as they keep a close eye on what's happening. You're watching all this happen live. These brave men and women working so hard with the resources they have, which are so limited right now.